wanted to come make sure everything was all right.
We're making some shit happen right now.
Okay, we're gonna street race later.
I just want to go on record. This is gonna scrape. Go! What is up, Lambros? It's Lambros Steve, SteveCurrington.com. Maybe you're new, maybe you didn't know that. Guess who I'm with? Chito Moncado, Chito Bonito. We're in the twin-turboed Porsche GT3 RS. We're headed to Lamborghini Denver. They have McLaren there, they have Koenigsegg there, they have Lamborghini there, they have Aston Martin there. That's a really cool dealership. We went there earlier because my car kind of got a little bit of a tow and then I had to go there, so which is why I'm in this car. Thanks to Chito for giving me a ride. And anyway, we're gonna run down there. There's a Lamborghini event, or an event with the dealer and Corsa America Rally, so stick around. Oh, guys, you gotta have to be in this car to feel this. That is crazy. That is some. How many horsepower is this thing?
Oh, 8 and change.
$1 million? Oh my gosh. It's basically $1 million. Well, they snuck up on us. Oh yeah. That's Highaltitudemotorsports right there, boys. And then Chito gave him the gas. All right, Holmes, we made it. We're at Lamborghini Denver / Koenigsegg / Aston Martin, Infiniti, Alfa Romeo, Maserati, Rolls Royce.
McLaren.
Mehh-Claren. We're following the leader, Mike. He drives one of those Mehh-Clarens. It's like meh. Not that impressed.
Oh, look, a broken Lamborghini.
It's not broken. It's just parked there, bro.
Oh, it's broken.
What's broken about it?
It's
Just because the tow hitch is on there?
It's lame bros.
Lame, bro. Hey, look, Corsa America Rally. See that? Get it? Because the color's kind of like a coral. No, you're gonna get a splinter, bro. For real. You will get carbon fiber splinters.
That's not real carbon. That's carbon.
Carbon fibre.
Carbon fibre.
All right, so if you watched my last video, you would know that the Lamborghini had a little electrical problem. Apparently, pouring quick detailer all over your control module and behind the driver's seat has a negative effect on the electrical system in your Lamborghini. So don't do that. Look at this one, Mike. It has like a sunset on the rear wing. I don't know what that is. It's like a starburst or something.
Hippie-ish.
It's purple. Here's an Aventador. It has a vent. There's a Gallardo here. There's a 720. No, wait, that is a. Is that a
675 LT.
Is this a 720? Yeah.
Yeah, 720, 675 LT.
675.
A vent and a door.
Oh, another Aventador. Oh, a green Huracan 610-4 out there.
This is like this.
We're trying to get him to open up the parts department because we can buy some gear because it's all locked up.
Oh, I'll show you where to buy the gear.
Where is it?
This way.
Well, they said that like the service guys are shut down, and I was trying to get them to open it for us. Look, guys, it's an F1 P1 620R. For real, look. Like, is it really? It's called a 2020 McLaren 620R Coupe, MSO defined, Sarth Gray.
With the hoods.
With a fake air scoop, because that does nothing. It doesn't connect back here. No, it doesn't do anything.
No, it does. It comes
We did
through.
see a Senna, though.
Through the sides. Where's the Senna?
The Senna will not be here tonight. Oh my gosh, that one is open. They're trying to sell this bad boy bad. All right, you can buy this one for the low price of $223,000. And I'm hearing that they are selling like hotcakes, those GTs. Not really. So we're gonna go find Lamborghini gear. the Russian gives zero, you know what. Sound stock. All right, this is me recording Mike. Mike's about to take off in his Mclaren. I want to hear it. Like, does it have pipes that are straight?
Cats.
It has cats?
Yeah, cats.
What lens is that? That looks like a Grandmaster or something like. Oh, it is. It's the G. That's what this is.
Oh.
G.
We're
Yours
G.
looks different.
We're gangsters.
All right, I'm ready for this. Jesus! That thing is loud. How do you like them flames? Well, the party's over here at Lamborghini / McLaren / Mike Ward Automotive. Every car you can buy here. And we're rolling out. Thanks for watching. That's Mike. Go follow him on Highaltitudemotorsports. And that's Mike's dad, Phil. We'll see you guys. What up, guys? Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Currington, and people are always asking me, what do you do for a living? How do you pay for all these nice cars? Well, this is what I do. Cash. I give people access to money. I'm a lender. I do home loans. You want to buy a house? Call me. Go to stevecurrington.com, and I lend in all 50 states if you need access to some cash.